Kavanaugh. I'm going to catch up on some things I've been working on the BSA Spitfire MkIV. First of all, I was taking some driven and friction plates out of the clutch, and we can see those here. All of the steel plates seem to be pretty flat. What I noticed here was that the friction plates are different than the stock ones. They only have 4 friction pads as opposed to many separate ones. I don't know what the difference is. I'm assuming this was all rebuilt pretty recently though. Another thing is I took the bolts off the alternator stator, and this is just really wedged in there. I'm not sure how to get that out. I'd be up for suggestions. I might try to use a piece of wood to encourage it to come out, because I don't want to use anything sharp. I think these plates are fairly soft and easy to bend. Alright, so what else? Yeah, okay, so I took apart the oil pump. Let's walk over here. And I wanted to see if it was doweled, and it's not. In fact, the end plate had some nice grooving on there. I'd be tempted to polish that, honestly, if I were going to reassemble and use this plate. There's the bottom end of the pump where that plate was mated. But there was, these just rotated freely once I was able to get the gasket off. So yeah, I guess I'm ordering a pump. Alright, I guess that's about it. This week I'm going to send this to be vapor blasted. Get that all nicely cleaned up before I take the valves out. And that'll be, well, I'll get the valves out and check the seats. I've got some stuff to lap the valves if the seats look like they're in good condition. And yeah, I guess that's about it for this time. Hopefully I can get some more of the clutch out. I guess one question I've got, and maybe this is something the more experienced folks could answer. With the crankshaft seeming so tight and no perceptible end play, although there's got to be a tiny bit, but everything looks real tight on the bottom end. And I was told that the play that's in the connecting rods is not bad. Should I go further with this? Is there a good reason to go further with this, or should I save myself the time and the headache? Because I'm going to have to get special tools, I think, to lock things in place and pull off gears on the other side. Yes, I would like to check the sludge trap. I guess I'd like to verify the big ends. Big end bearings are in good shape and have the proper clearances. But the thing runs smoothly through gears. I could take the transmission out if I get the clutch unbolted. Right? So how much should I be doing on this engine? That's the main question I've got here. Because I would be content if everybody, or if we had a lot of folks saying that, hey, yeah, bottom end looks good, don't touch it. I would put a new oil pump on here, a new gasket set. I would take this out of the frame so I can refresh the frame and all that, clean up the case, and then mount it back in and start building it up again. So, yeah, thoughts on that? I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.